We are going to make the drink of the moment. What are we making?
We are making quarantinis.
All right, so tell me what they are.
You can use gin or vodka. This is a really nice organic botanical gin. So we'll have some of that. And a little more because
Is this
alcohol.
a shaker that you're putting it on? Yeah.
Yes.
Two shots of gin. All right.
Now we're gonna add, wait, I'm getting ahead of myself. We need some lemon for the vitamin C. Will help your immune system fight off any diseases.
Juice of half lemon is good enough for one drink?
Juice of half a lemon.
Okay.
There we go. 1 full teaspoon of honey. Then ice.
Bunch of ice, huh?
Ice, you're gonna filter out whatever, it's gonna dilute it a bit and it's gonna get ice cold. Okay, that sounds ready. Next, we're going to, let's moisten the
Edges of the...
edges of our cocktail glass, and then we're going to use 1,000 milligram emergency as our rimmer. Give that extra boost. There we go.
Very pretty. All right. Perfect
Now-
quantity.
Garnish with a wheel of orange.
Huh.
Cheers. Chin chin. Saúde.
Cheers.
Na zdrowie. Oh, God, that's good.
So good.
So healthy. Feel stronger already.